Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the internal server error in the Chat GPT. So this problem might be on the side of Chat GPT servers, but also you can try to fix this by clearing all conversations on your Chat GPT, creating new one. You can also try to log out from your account and log into another one. If this won't work, go to the settings of your browser. In this case, I'm using the Google Chrome. Find privacy and security and clear browsing data. Right here, remove all cookies and cached images and files by pressing on clear data. You can also change the time range for all time, and it should fix the problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.